Hello! The time of the year is here. It's time for everybody to waste money on their partners if that's what you want to do. It's Valentine's Day. So I literally hate Valentine's Day. I don't hate it. I don't see the point in it. I just think it's dumb. The point of today's video is this makeup look that I'm bringing to you with a lot of construction noise going on in the background, so I do apologise for that now. I've kind of stopped and there is a bit of interruption in between, but I've done the best that I can because I didn't want to do a voiceover. I'm not into those videos anymore. So yeah, this is the makeup look that we've gone for. I actually got some... I love this look, so I wanted to kind of recreate that, but I've kind of done it a bit more pinky and just, it's mainly like the blue I kind of took inspo from, so credit to this picture of course. So yes, that's all we're doing today, just this makeup look here. So like I said, I'm sorry about the brief interruptions in between, but it's still talk through, there's no voiceover or anything. Yes, that is it, so relax as always, grab your beverage. I didn't say that in the video, so grab it now and just enjoy the video. Okay, so this video might be a bit of a mess because it's literally construction. Right. So I did this eye, I did most of the eyeshadow anyway, the rest I kind of need to do once I've done a bit of face makeup. I'll be using the Jade and Beauty Bay eyeshadow palette for this look. I thought I'd try and keep it to one palette for once because I usually mix between a few. Oh, thank God they're quiet for a second. So this is what I did so far. I will love that. So I am just gonna play the music and you can see what I'm doing while I do the other eye, because I didn't know what I was doing fully because I did go off a picture that I saw from a Pat McGrath campaign. I'll add a picture of it here. That was kind of the vibe I was going for. I can't point on both of these because the palette's so big. Let me pause Supernatural, shall I? Right, I'm gonna mix this purple with the maroon on that top corner there. Okay, I'm gonna finish off the rest of the eyes after. I'm hoping I've got a bit of a break with the noise. So moving on to skin. Also, I really like how this came out. It's actually a bit different to the picture that I was going off, but I'm kind of liking this. I might incorporate a bit more blue into it after. So for skin, I am gonna mix two different primers together. So kind of for like the perimeter of my face, primer oil from Flower Beauty. I haven't used this in a while. On the high perimeters, I guess, of my face. Oh, everything's feeling so nice on my face right now. I shaved my face last night, and because I do it like once a month because like I don't need to do it any more than that really. I did it last night and it literally the first time you apply your makeup, like after you've done that, like it is one of the nicest feelings. Like I love it. It feels so nice and smooth. Then for kind of like my T-zone area and just kind of like the cheeks here, I'm gonna use the Rare Beauty Pore Diffusing Primer. And I haven't actually used this a whole lot, to be honest. And yeah, like I said, I'm just gonna pop this here. I probably wouldn't use this just fully all around my face just because my skin is that dry. It's not super moisturizing, like it's not hydrating primer is what I mean. So you can see that blurs the skin nicely there. Foundation, I'm going to use an old favourite of mine. I should probably clean this before I show it to you actually. So I'm going to use the Colourpop Pretty Fresh foundation. This is honestly one of my faves. I love this. I'm hoping the shade's okay because I remember, I know I bought this in the summer. Oh yeah. Literally, I could have gone to my filming room to like film because of the noise, but I brought everything in my bedroom here to film because I'm liking this vibe. But I didn't realise that the construction was going to be going on. I forgot. I don't know if this is like a tiny bit, is this a bit too dark for me, this foundation? It might be. I'm almost out of it, and I think I haven't done like a Colourpop order in a while. I might repurchase this foundation because I do really like it, but I feel like the shade, yeah, it is a tiny bit too warm. I've also got like a little chatty video going up maybe next week, I don't know. I filmed that already, but I'll probably upload that a bit later on. That'll explain why I'm filming in here and not really filming in my other room. So concealer, we're gonna get my old fave back out. This is the Jouer Essential High Coverage Concealer, and I use the shade Honey in this. Or this is my deeper shade. I used to use Creme Brulee, but like Honey works as well. Like it's still fairly-ish, but Honey works as well, to be honest. Like that's okay. Forgot we need to cover up this dew down here. I actually tried some pimple patches. I've always been against them because I was like, are these really gonna work? I think they're from Revolution Skincare, and it genuinely worked. Like I'm not even kidding. This is actually considerably smaller than it was. Like, and I only had one on last night. Like I just slept with it on. So for blush, I'm actually going to mix two cream blushes together because I kind of wanted something a bit pinky. So I've got these two here from Milk Makeup. Yeah, I think I'm going to actually... should I just go with one? Maybe just this one? No, I think I am going to mix the two together. So they're just little minis. And we have the shade Quirk and Werk. So Quirk is the more berry one. And then this one here is the shade Werk. So I love mini... Oh, I love minis. I better actually get this video up before Valentine's Day. That'd be helpful, wouldn't it? Let me know if you're doing anything for Valentine's Day and what you're doing. If you're a Valentine's Day person. I'm not. Honestly, I could not care less. Like it's a normal day for me. Nothing. Okay. So for powder, I'm gonna use the e.l.f. Halo Glow Setting Powder. I have two here. I've got the light, or like the transparent one, and then I've actually got the shade Medium. I think I actually might use Medium today. I will never get over this powder. It's so nice, and I can't believe it's so affordable as well. I was actually gonna give away the Medium shade. I was just gonna keep one, but I think I'm gonna keep them both. Why not? I'm so sorry if you can still hear the outside, but I really don't want to do a voiceover. So powdered blush, we're nearly done. I'm gonna use the Kimchi Chic blush in the shade Vacation. One of my favorite powdered blushes. Like, I've got two really nice shades there. They are very pigmented as well though, so I'm just gonna mix the two. But we're gonna pack on the blush today because it's Valentine's Day. Then we're gonna get this guy out. I'm gonna use the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. Then for lips, we're actually trying a new combo out. I haven't tried this before. So for liner, I'm going to use the LA Girl Ultimate Stay lip liner in the shade Keep It Spicy, and then the lipstick is from Makeup Revolution. It's just their little bullet lipsticks, and it's in the shade Chauffeur. That is it for the Valentine's Day makeup tutorial for this year, so hope you've enjoyed it. I didn't finish the rest of the eyes. Never mind, hold on. So, like the shade that I use kind of on the inner part of the eye, which is confetti, like in the middle, because it's like a silvery blue. Oh yeah, that is so nice on the inner corner. Alright. Now we're done. Now this looks a bit more like the picture. So thank you so much for watching. I'm going to keep this outro as quick as I can so I can go do my intro very quickly before they start drilling again. So thank you so much for watching. If you're doing anything on Valentine's Day, let me know, and just have a good time anyway if you do celebrate it or do anything, or if you like me and you genuinely don't care. And as always, let me know any other videos you want me to do, and I will see you in my next video.